cái nó tôi tiền nó trong họ bỏ đi tua này tôi cái món người gì là cũng lo vào sẽ thay thì là cũng lo show respect cho cái mong cái cho nữ trong đó ha còn nó yêu Trump Donald Trump's party the president right now cái party tua tôi cái tua này
Hmong New Year to everyone here today. I want to start by thanking United Hmong Family, Chairman V. Bang, all the Hmong leaders, and all the Hmong veterans. Thank you. My name is Taylor Ram, and it's an honor to stand before you here today. I have the distinct honor of serving as a senior advisor to President Donald J. Trump as he continues on his historic second term as President of the United States. President Trump is a strong champion for the Hmong community, for Americans, for our veterans, for our law enforcement officers, and for peace around the world. We all know the sacrifices that your families have made, alongside the legendary General Vang Pao, a true American hero. Hmong soldiers fought and died with American troops in the secret war in Laos. President Trump proudly signed the Hmong Veterans Recognition Act, ensuring that Hmong heroes can now be buried at the National Cemetery. Today, in just first 10 months of his second term, President Trump is delivering for hardworking Americans the largest middle-class tax cut in history. No tax on tips, overtime, Social Security, child tax credits, and more. That means the biggest tax refunds in American history are coming your way over the next 2 years, as your money should stay with you. Gas is under $3 a gallon on average, real relief when you drive from Fresno, from St. Paul, and from Milwaukee to celebrate New Year with your family. Trillions of dollars in new factories and jobs coming home. $500 billion in American AI alone. Good paying careers for the next generation of Hmong Americans. Full backing of our veterans and law enforcement. Record funding, respect restored, and the blue and green know that the President of the United States always has their back. And perhaps most important of all, President Trump is bringing peace through strength. He ended the war in Gaza, freed hostages, destroyed Iran's nuclear facilities without putting American boots on the ground, and has brokered war-ending deals in 8 different countries around the world, and he's still working to secure more. Because of President Trump, American sons and daughters are coming home instead of being sent into new wars. At the same time, he's cutting billions on waste and fraud so that your tax dollars stop disappearing and start working for you, your children, and your families. President Trump respects the Hmong community. He knows you're not looking for handouts. You want opportunity, safety, respect for veterans, support for your police officers, and peace for your children. That is exactly what he continues to work on and what he's delivering on. So today, let's celebrate the start of a great new year, leave all the bad and negative in last year, and may you be blessed with an amazing new year. Thank you. God bless the Hmong community. God bless our veterans and law enforcement. God bless the legacy of General Vang Pao, and God bless the United States of America. Thank you, and Happy New Year.
tụi nó do tôi biết tôi city council ตัวลุ่มจงSaint Paul แล้วนะ nếu họ chơi ta là cho sông nó thì họ sông chiến là yếu tố là biết tụi xài móng á là mùi danh tua lún giò Saint Paul nó nè nếu họ chơi yếu ta nó thì nó
It's an honor of a lifetime to serve as mayor of this city that has raised the minimum wage to $15 an hour. This city that starts every child born in our city with $50 in a college savings account. This city that honors our diversity instead of attacks it. This city who knows that the keys to our future is not just trying to figure out how to preserve the city that our parents love, but how to build the city that our city deserves. It's an honor to be mayor of this incredible, diverse, intercultural, multilingual city that the city of St. Paul is. And this city would not be the city we are. This city could not be the rich, incredible place that we are if it were not for the incredible contribution of the members of our Hmong community. Our Hmong community leaders are leaders in education, leaders in business, leaders in real estate, leaders in the public sector, leaders in the private sector, leaders every single place we go. You give us incredible food, you give us incredible events and celebrations and festivities like this. You give us incredible organizations like Hmong United Family. Give it up for me, man, and everybody who's worked to make today what it is. In the restaurant, looking forward to being able to walk around the lake with all of you all and knowing that some of those tasks of community building get to graduate on to someone else in the future. But you know I'll still be here and I'll still look forward to continuing to enjoy this community and all the food and all the celebrations and all the richness that we have to offer right alongside every single one of you all. I said on day one as mayor that this is an incredible city because we all pitch in and do the work together. I've been thankful every day as mayor that I've had all of you as teammates that help us build this work together. I sleep better every single night because all of you are not just in St. Paul, you are actively creating and building this city every single day along the way. And I'm proud to be proud of the work that we've done together. God bless you. It's good to see you.
Chief of Police 那种很厉害的，St. Paul 的话呢。
Well, thank you so much for having us here. On behalf of the St. Paul Police Department, I'd ask you, if you see one of our officers walking around, you walk up and say hi to them. We love talking to our community members, and we're so very happy to be here. As most of you know, every year when I come and talk, I usually tell a personal story or something that's been going on.
tụi này lo mà cho tầm lúa này nhớ lúa giò Minneapolis nhớ lúa Saint Paul nữa nè nhớ lúa giò Saint
As I
Paul.
was getting ready this morning to come, it's really the enormity of the Hmong New Year and this festival and what has happened over the last dozens of years, literally decades, is that this event in our community has been changed in such a positive way by this. And I will tell you personally that I think the state of Minnesota should probably adopt that our official New Year should be in line with this. I think December 31st should be a day that if people want to do something, that's great. And we were talking about how important this is to our city of St. Paul. It is truly an event that now personifies what it's like to be a Minnesotan, but more importantly, what it is to be a person who lives, thrives, and spends their time in this great city. So on behalf of the St. Paul Police Department, I wanted to just say thank you. You inspire all of us, regardless of where we're from or how long we've been here. You make us better. You make this city better. And my XO and I were talking on the way up, and we said, you know what we should probably do going forward? I think we're going to look into this. And I'm going to challenge maybe Chief Dotson, who I know is coming up here next, and maybe they want to do the same. This is our official New Year's. Thank you so much. Thank you for having us. Please say hi to the officers over here. Thank you.
Transit stations, improving rider safety and confidence 讓旅遊可以做得到照顧在道 by auto producing Wayanasi Canaris and Joseph Daksatya.
Yeah.
It's such an honor to be here today to wish you a happy new year and also to commemorate 50 years of the long migration of United. Really in awe and thankful for all your contributions to our community. I also want to thank the United Hmong family for including us in today's celebration. So at Metro Transit, our mission is connecting people, strengthening communities, and improving lives. We do that by delivering high-quality public transportation with buses and light rail here in the Twin Cities. And it's a true honor to serve our community and be a part of today's celebration and part of the Twin Cities community more broadly. And at Metro Transit, a critical part of what we do is ensure the safety of our riders and our employees. So it's my honor to introduce Chief Joseph Dotsa from our Metro Transit Police Department will also stand here.
Good afternoon. My name is Joe Dotsa, and I'm the interim chief of police at Metro Transit. And I'm honored to stand before you today and just say a couple words about really, first of all, how thankful we are of all of your support. Law enforcement in general is very thankful for your support, and so is Metro Transit Police. We would not be able to do all the things that we do in our community and for our community members without your support. So thank you for all of that. I'd also like to just take a moment and talk about service. I've heard so many great stories the last couple hours about service to our community, what it means to stand up during tough times and provide that to the public. And that's certainly what we do at the Metro Transit Police Department. Our diversity numbers in our department are one of the most diverse departments in the region. And we wouldn't be that way without the support of our young people. So thank you very much. And all of our officers and our staff join us every day as well as we certainly appreciate this leadership and all the work that you guys. But again, thank you so much for everything and have a good day. It is carved into the mountains, soaked into the soil of two countries and continents, and carried in the breath of every generation that refuses to disappear. When the secret war erupted in Laos, our fathers, our uncles, our grandfathers, our mothers, and our aunts did not pause to calculate fear. They stood on mountaintops, fought in jungles, and bled for a nation they had never seen, a nation called America. But let us be unspeakably clear here today. This was no small struggle. This was no minor chapter in world history. Under my father, General Bangkok, the Hmong fought against 70,000. Let me say that again. 70,000 of the most elite North Vietnamese troops. Day and night, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, for 15 long years. That feat alone should echo across the world. It should be taught in universities. It should be honored on monuments. And it should live forever in the hearts of our young people, who must understand what it took for them to be here today. My father used to say that the mountain teaches a warrior two things. Number one is how to survive. Number two is how to see farther than others. Our elders saw further. They saw beyond the war. They saw beyond loss. And they saw beyond the heartbreak of leaving their home. They saw our faces, our future. The generations who would one day stand here, free, educated, safe, and alive. And so they carried us out of honored.
Cho nên chân xin nói là ta muốn tham ta đó là do ta thấy rõ để bên trên đường về cái sống thực sát của đây của hàng công tác đó để họ chơi cái đường sinh đó bây giờ là cái thằng nó phát nhanh đó có trên đường về có sống thực sát của lá tao mà thấy có đọc cũng sẽ có là của bên đường nó đó để bên nó dẫn bên trong có tham được bên nó trên đường về sống thực sát của nó thế. And also, I want our educators. I want you guys to come up as well too. Exclusive children do not, but we are very inclusive. We are very inclusive to everybody. And so I think that has been helping our community. And it signified 50 years, from 1975 to 2025, that, ever since we immigrated to the U.S., we have made great progress. In particular, all the great speeches that you guys heard about today, all the excitement, all the things that has happened, particularly in the last 50 years. We hope that the next 50 years will be even greater than what you guys heard today. And I want to thank in particular all the speakers here, all the speakers today that proudly have spoken and said a few words that I think are just encouraging to everybody, particularly our Hmong community. So I hope that you guys will always take that to heart as well too. So again, we don't have much, but we just want to give you a token so that you remember what 2025 is and what the new year means to us here in the state of Minnesota.
You can go pee. There we are talking about. Các bạn nói mùi này cái là sao nó vậy? Muốn này được không? Trong có
cái đó là cho cái chợ buôn là cái chợ buôn cho như này là mong tâm này, cái chợ buôn nhau cho như này là mong tâm thì nó được cho nó sẽ.
mỗi lúc chứ chỉ cho xong mong tôi mình cả tôi siêu xong là cho nên cho tôi hai lô speaker là hai lô sau ra cho cái lúc chơi với cháu nó mà lô token đây là cái đá bên mong tôi nhập tôi chỉ mình cả tôi chỉ cho xong này.
Thank you. First and foremost, thank you to the Board of Trustees of the United Hmong family. Thank you to the Board of Trustees of the United Hmong family for wanting to give a gift of love, friendship, and blessings to all our friends in St. Paul, in Minnesota, and across the U.S. We have friends and family that are also in audience and on this stage with us that are not from Minnesota. So welcome to all of you for joining us for the Minnesota Hmong New Year. I hope that as you're here, you feel the Minnesota love and the Minnesota nice, and mostly that you will want to move here and stay with us so that our community continues to grow. But each and every one of you on stage and those of you in the audience, we want to thank you for the love of the community and for being here with us as we celebrate 45 years of Minnesota Hmong New Year. And happy 50th. This is just a small token and blessing for all of you as we welcome 2026. And we will see you again next year on the very stage 2027. We hope you enjoy the next 2 days. And don't leave yet, as we are going to unveil the Mrs. Hmong Minnesota pageant shortly here. So please stay for the show. Thank you so much.
Ok, bonjour the great state of Minnesota here. And so